Good morning. Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com and Phil's Gang Radio Show. Well, today's election day, November 2022, and everybody's wondering what's going to happen. What's going to happen with the market? How's the election going to affect the market? Well, I want to help you with that. First of all, the market has been in a downtrend channel for over 40 weeks. That's incredible. We've never seen that before. Okay. The crash we had in 2018, we were down 11 weeks, and then it took off, went up 45%. The crash in 2020 was down 4.5 weeks and ran 126%. Well, that's because they had help. They had QE. We have QE no more. So my take is this. We're going to go a lot lower, but we're going to continue to have these rallies. These are short covering rallies. Because in a downtrend channel, unless we have good earnings, which we're not going to have good earnings going forward, the fourth quarter is going to be worse than the third quarter. We're not going to have capitulation because all these idiots behind me here in Wall Street, all they keep telling you is how wonderful things are. Jim Cramer came out the other day and said, wow, the economy's fantastic. Why? So we're not getting capitulation because people aren't fearful. They think they're going to be saved by QE. Well, that's not going to happen. And so we can't capitulate. There's not going to be any QE, and earnings suck. So get ready for another drop of 20% or more after we rally. We always rally in downtrend channels. Now let's talk about the election, how it's going to affect the market today and tomorrow. Well, I don't think there'll be much trading today. I think I've had my gang long the S&P since the earnings season started. We've done terrific in our stocks. Our oil stocks have been big winners. I think today it's going to be kind of a slow day, but I think there's going to be big disappointment. Everyone thinks that Herschel Walker will win and also that Oz will win. I think they're going to lose fair and square, meaning that Oz, Pennsylvania is going to make sure he doesn't win. He's going to win the election, but he's not going to win. And I also think that Herschel Walker, they're going to make sure he doesn't get 50% or more votes because they want to put him into a runoff, which they can rig the election further to make sure he doesn't win, even though he will win. If that happens, I don't think if we find out at the end of the night that they're going to extend the count into the next day or 2 days, I don't think we'll get a relief rally. But if for some reason, if the election is fair and square and they both win fair and square, and I think we'll get this rally. I really do. Now, our oil stocks have been doing fantastic. We've been in oil stocks before anyone else because I've never seen a war where oil doesn't go up. So that was a pretty easy pick right there. The bank stocks are going to start rallying, and I think the tech stocks will rally and then fail, but would continue to rally only if the Republicans win. There's going to be hope that the 10-year Treasury yield will start coming down, that there's not going to be much spending. The Republicans, remember, are going to stop spending. They're going to cut these budgets on Biden to cut them off. So that gives us hope that the yields will start coming down, and that's a good thing for big tech stocks. Right now, are you kidding me? Big tech stocks really suck. The only time they go up is a short covering rally. So overall, I think between now and the end of the year, we'll have a little Christmas rally. We always do, and that will fail. So the bottom line, the market is going to go much lower unless you have they adopt QE again. If they can get good earnings for the fourth quarter, which is not going to happen, or people finally get scared to capitulate. But I don't see any of that happening. So that's it for today. Okay, and let's see what happens tonight after the elections. So it's going to be a fun day. I'll see you on the charts, and please don't forget to hit share, like, and whatever the other one is. See you on the charts.